based on the preachings of Lord Mahavira. The disciples of Lord Mahavira, while compiling his words into sutras, memorized them to pass on to future generation. These sutras, which are in the form of scriptures, are known as Dvadashanga or Agamas. So, the texts containing the teachings of Mahavira are called the Agamas. These Agama Sutras can be grouped into 4 classes known as Anuyogas. These Anuyogas are the explanations to the questions that arise with regard to the scriptures, or in other words, Anuyoga is to enquire something relating to a scripture written by great acharyas which are based on the original Agama Sutras. Anuyoga, in brief, is inquisitiveness with a desire to gratify the mind with new information. There are 4 types of Anuyogas to understand the Jaina religion. These 4 Anuyogas are like Vedas, which provide the specific knowledge related to this religion. The 4 Anuyogas are Prathamanyoga, Karananuyoga, Charananuyoga, and Dravyanuyoga. Prathamanyoga. The first in the series of 4 Anuyogas is Prathamanyoga, which consists of the sacred texts containing religious stories of the great personages. About 63 great personages termed as Trishashti Shalaka Purushas, which include the account of 24 Tirthankaras of this cosmic cycle, about 12 Chakravartis, 9 Narayanas, 9 Pratinarayanas, and 9 Balabhadras. This Prathamani Yoga sets out to explore the life stories of these great personages, narrating their ups and downfalls, their bhavavalis, their birth cycles, thereby expounding the Purusharthas like Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha, the results of good deeds and immoral deeds, Papa Karma and Punya Karma, resulting in happiness and sorrow. Some of the great sacred texts under Prathamani Yoga are Mahapurana, consisting of 2 main parts, Adi Purana of Jinasena Acharya and Uttara Purana of Gunabhadra Acharya. Harivamsha Purana of Jinasena Acharya and Padma Purana of Ravishena also come under this Prathamani Yoga. These Puranas are considered as the holy scriptures of Jaina religion, which include not only the religious stories of great personages, but also these Puranas include art, literature, history, and poetry. The second Anuyoga is Karananuyoga. This includes cosmology, the part dealing with space, the universe, the non-universe, the 3 worlds, their description, dimensions, and denizens, and different circulations as regards spiritual stages and soul quests. This Anuyoga expounded the texts which had mathematical viewpoints. It consists of the following texts which contain geography, mathematics, astronomy, astrology, and like literature. Jayadhavala Tika by Veerasena and Jinasena Acharya come under this Karananuyoga. Gomatasara of Nemichandra Siddhanta Chakravarti in 1000 AD is also a very good example under Karananuyoga. Surya Prajnapti and Chandra Prajnapti are the other sacred books come under this Karananuyoga. The third Anuyoga is Charananuyoga. This is all about the rituals, and this part deals with the rules of conduct for laymen and ascetics. Rituals and the rules of conduct for the householders or the laymen are detailed in the 11 pratimas or the 11 stages of restraint and renunciation. Rules of conduct are of greater and of fuller restraint and renunciation for ascetics or munis. This Aniyoga, that is Charanani Yoga, consists of the following texts which contain principles of observances, conduct, behavior, and literature. Mainly, Mooladhara, Ratnakarandaka Shravakacharya by Acharya Samantabhadra deal with the rules of conduct for the householders and ascetics. The fourth Anuyoga is Dravyanuyoga. Dravyanuyoga is mainly about Jaina philosophy. This part of Anuyoga deals with dravyas, that is, substances. Primarily, substances are two, jiva and ajiva, that is, soul and non-soul. But they are enumerated 6 as because the non-soul obviously consists of 5 independent and distinctly individual substances. Those are matter, time, space, the media of motion, and rest. Thus, there are in total 6 substances, Shad-dravyas. Jiva, Pudgala, Dharma, Adharma, Akasha, and Kala. Soul, matter, motion, rest, space, and time. Matter is of many kinds, but the most powerful or the mighty kind is karmic matter, which the mundane soul wears and which is the self-wound motor to keep the soul moving in this samsara. This connection of soul and the non-soul matter necessitates a consideration of the inflow of karma into the soul, the bondage of soul by karmas, the stoppage of the inflow, the shedding of the bondage, and perfect freedom of the soul from karma. These 7 are called the Saptatattvas or principles of Jainism. The sutra of this 7th tattva is Jiva Jiva Shravabandha Samvara Nirjara Mokshastattvam. These 7 tattvas are soul, non-soul, inflow, bondage, stoppage, shedding, and liberation, the ultimate goal. This Dravyanuyoga consists of the texts which contain philosophical doctrines, theories, metaphysics, philosophy, and like literature. Niyamasara, Panchastikaya, Pravachanasara, Samayasara of Acharya Kundakunda, Tattvartha Sutra of Umaswami Acharya come under Dravyanuyoga. Acharya Samantabhadra's commentary on Tattvartha Sutra, Acharya Pujapada's commentary on Tattvartha Sutra, which is called Sarvartha Siddhi, Akalanka Acharya's commentary and Vidyananda Acharya's commentary on Tattvartha Sutra also come under this part, Dravyanuyoga. Aptamimamsa of Swami Samantabhadra, Acharya Akalanka, and Swami Vidyananda's commentary on Aptamimamsa also are included in this classification of Dravyanuyoga.